Maz and Poppy, who were taking part in the What's in the Box project, were intrigued by a box of bird bones that we were documenting. They were donated by Dr. Herbert Langton, an ornithologist, on 26th of September 1919. They were accessioned under number B133. Dr. Langton was born in 1853 in Wandsworth, Surrey. He was the youngest of the 7 children of William and Elizabeth Langton, who were drug merchants. By the 1861 census, his mother is a widow and Herbert is living with her, along with his siblings, 2 unmarried aunts, a 9-year-old boarding scholar and 3 servants. Herbert became a surgeon but retained a passion for ornithology. It was discovered that he married his wife Edith in 1883. They lived at St Moritz, 61 Dyke Road, Brighton, and had a son, Edward, who became a missionary doctor in Uganda, and a daughter, Elsie. He is mentioned in several issues of the Bulletin of the British Ornithologists Club, as both an attendee and an exhibitor, as well as a variety of other publications noting attendance at various events relating to natural history. Herbert died aged 70 in 1922 following an operation for appendicitis. His death was announced in the Bulletin of British Ornithologists, Nature, and the Museum's Journal. We were unable to establish what his link was to Hastings Corporation Museum and Library, as it was at the time of his donation, but perhaps he visited as part of his role as the chairman of the Museum Subcommittee of Brighton or as the honorary treasurer of the Museums Association.